So na-open natin guys. So tingnan natin kung anong laman dito.
Sana all.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Damn! Parang may evaporator dito guys. Okay. So, tingnan natin guys. May letter dito. Dalawang papel to. So, basahin natin. Isa dito is resibo. Pero yung isa is letter. Okay. Basahin natin guys. Dear Mr. You're chosen to be one of our representatives.
Oh, no.
Congratulations.
Yes! No.
What? Okay. So now guys, okay. So here we go. So maging ano naman tayo dito, maging athlete, no?
Sana
edad
all.
nito, pwede pa ba tong maging athlete? Pero parang ano na siguro. So siguro tingnan natin kung anong laman dito. Kasi super sports, parang alam na natin siguro, pero hindi natin alam kung anong color. Anong color dito guys. Alright! So, tingnan natin kung ano ang laman niya. Let's go to the day! Ups! Alright guys. Okay, anong laman? Ready? Go! Ay! May ano pa, may cover pa. Oy! Nike. Diba? Nike. Wow! Sapatos pala to guys. Running shoes pala to guys. Wow. Running shoes pala to guys. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Company na maging representative sa isang na maging sa Super Sports Thailand Basketball 2024. Thank you. It's a prank. Thank you, love. Thank you so much for